god, look at my nail. That's so ghetto. Okay, hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gael, and in today's video I'm gonna be doing like a deep cleaning with y'all because let me just show you. Look at this. Like, that's horrible. And the reason it's like that because yesterday I did a haul. Make sure you go watch that. It'll be right here. And I just didn't get a chance to clean everything up, so I'm doing it now in a video. Please, I'm not gonna really talk in this video because I'm gonna stop putting my hands up because my nail is missing. I'm not gonna really talk in this video because I really want to, like, when I clean, I like to listen to music and watch YouTube videos. So it'll be like, just watch me clean, deep clean my room. I gotta put I put most of my bags up for my haul. Well, I have some downstairs that weren't from my haul that I have to put up. And then I have to fix my bed that's right there. And you're just gonna watch me do all that. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And don't forget to, don't forget to subscribe because I'll be watching but not subscribing and I don't like that. But I'm just kidding, I love y'all. But please don't forget to subscribe. And I'll catch y'all next time. This will be the last time I'm talking to y'all, so y'all just gonna watch me clean. So let's just get right into the video.
Just tell me what to do when I get it, babe. Motivational. As I put it down, I can put you on the fight. You know that a nigga like me can change your life, oh man. Everything you do is so crazy. Ain't nobody going crazy. I got what you need. Everybody can show it out. Big little baby. Everything you do is so crazy. Ain't nobody going crazy. I got what you need. I'm choosing on my bitch. Gotta do it donuts on the dick, yeah. Pause for the fit. Everybody baby, what you do it on the spit. She don't need no hands on no bank. Do your dance. Fuck the rubber band. Hit the dash. Make it dance. Yo, everybody know just to take it down. Baby, put it down, down. Put it down.
So I don't know where to put my jewelry at all. Like, I have no idea. Where do I put it? Was that not?
Put it down, down. Put it down, down. Deep grip in the middle of the night. I know that you can see as I put it down right down. I could put you on the bike. You know that a nigga like me can change your life, oh man. Everything you do is so crazy. Ain't nobody going crazy. I got what you need. Everybody can show it out. Big little baby. Everything you do is so crazy. Ain't nobody going I go broke like Jock. Fuck that door like me. Not that rock, that P. I made it down to my sock, can't hold my Glock. Reason I don't really like that shit. Young turn, they can't wipe no bitch. Use my French, don't like no bitch. Limo 10 on fat, my burn, yeah, I had it hurt. So my bitch broke bad, I ain't had her hurt. Yeah, that's us. Two-tone AP, I bust. Got to hear from her, ain't even wanna fuck. Why? Slut, vibe. Nothing on me from sex, ain't that revive. Old nigga told on bro, should dad. No, he ain't kill him, dog, he ain't even try. Still a bet my last, she's nice in the hood. Hey, food chain, dog, bitch not good. Probably in some fast with a Glock in the hood. Porsche antiques, smell a walk on the wood. First turn nigga from the hood, they curious. Boys crying about 5 and jury. I get the coolest with no money spirit. I got your film on feet on the mirror. First young nigga in the 82 land, run a 14 mil, started 14 grams. Yo, boy, tickets and diamonds and Tim. You shouldn't play with that boy, it is not one of them. Bro, I kept taking A's, only got me an M. Still make a double, I don't know when I see it. That's 550, 2018. Gotta come 20 if you hopping in the Benz. Young turn nigga for the D to the A. I'm rockin' with the lion, I'm rockin' with the brave. Yeah, we paid. Yeah, we paid. I'ma turn up a little more this time. Used to dream back in, now I got it on drive. Had a spot like a varsity. What do you have? Like 20, I fuck what you got. I put on trip, I believe I can fly. Niggas know that I'm rich, but they know how to try. I had a show in Detroit and I started real rappers. They 50 on all of the guys. All of these hoes in these stores make a mission. And plus, I'ma tip them, they holding my side. Get in your car and just put on your flash and follow the hearse. You say you gon' rise and somebody gon' die if they fold us. Turn a 5 to a dime, that's a double up. Fuck around, rockin' church on my double cup. This shit that happen, I'm praying, I give it up. Tiger stay with a wood, ain't gon' give it up. Know I ran through a mill every week off a weed. Bro, beat the child, I can give me just they got it back in the pick up.